guys, today I wanted to go ahead and do a like budgeting video with you guys. I was here working on our first of the month, February 1st 2020 budget and all that good stuff, and I thought I'll turn it on because I haven't done a budgeting video with you guys. So I think we did fairly okay for January. Could have did a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and share. I just went out today and purchased some highlighters, so I'm gonna start incorporating highlighters into my planner, and I started writing it. I also like to jot down all of our like finances here, and then I'll go and track it through my planner. So let me go ahead and zoom in. This is pretty much what I started out with. This is the beginning. I went and bought this little book from Family Dollar this morning. I thought it was super cute, marble and gold, so glam, right? And then in here I took the highlighters. Oh, I missed this one. This is like savings. All right, and so I went through and put the different colors of the highlight, what I wanted to do. So this is like our payoff for the month, or the goal for the month or that week or whatever. This is like monthly bills, like phone bill, cable bill, things like that. This one is savings, but I also have this one down as slash something else. This one is like all the money that come in, any type of extra money, paychecks, whatever. This one is like if I have to buy an app or editing things or anything for like YouTube. And I also have a different meaning for this one too. So these two have two different meanings depending on what it is. I need to figure out what I incorporated, but anyways, you get the idea. I allocated each color to represent something, and I'm just now incorporating that into my planner right now. I just bought it today and I'm already loving it. So I'll show you. This is how our January looked, and as you see, we already, the pinks mean we paid off that many bills. And as you see, like this was like editing things and stuff for like YouTube and the emergency fund, and all of like, we added more money there. So it's like January 15th. I started on February 1st because that's where we're at the moment. So we're working with a military paycheck, and so a lot of these things are what's left after a ton of allotments. Like we do not have any kind of rent or mortgage or anything like that. We're military housing, so we don't have anything like that. We don't have any electric or water, so I don't have to budget those type of things into my planning. Also, I have this little card here. It lists all of our things. You may see the lines, that means this stuff got paid off, but these are all of our bills. These are all of the due dates or whatever, and then this was like the credit lines or whatever that we have for these cards. So I use this just to check the whatever bill. Like I have a bill on the 10th coming up, all right here. So what I went through, since orange is my color, okay, so starting out right here with my planner, I taken my orange, and I know from looking at this little card stock that I made of all of our due dates, and I went through and I just highlighted all the due dates that we have stuff through. So that's what I was working on as we speak. Oh, and then let me incorporate the insurance. I forgot those. So like February 1st, which is here, I have a bill there, and then my husband's in auto insurance for his motorcycle. It's, let me put it up here. And so what I'm gonna go back and do is write down what bills are due in the orange. I put insurance small, since that's gonna be Valentine's Day. And I think that's all of our bills. So I went through and Oh, what's on the 21st? I don't know. Oh, T-Mobile, the phone bill. This is a new bill. We never really had T-Mobile before, but also I use the green as paydays. All right, so that is a payday here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark green for there, and this is also a payday, so I'll put it over here in this corner. Okay, and then this was payday there, and payday should be the 28th if I'm not mistaken, for February. Okay, so will be 3 different paydays in February as far as I can tell for right now. All right, so I'm loving this right already. So what I do now, I take this little book and I'll write the amount of how much he's getting paid up here and highlight it in green, and then I'll go ahead and list all of the little bills, which right now is nothing but five different little bills that's due. This pink one is supposed to be paid off by the 3rd, and the total of this bill is $1,456.68. That is a military star card, and so we're wiping that away. Okay, and then all these other bills, like the insurance, is going to be $93, and his little credit card is $37, and this little blue bill was a bill that just came in the mail. Over the holiday we were driving and got a toll charge. It was $9.58, so I went on and knocked that out. So this is like an unexpected bill, or YouTube absence, all that stuff. All right, so that is what I have so far. So this cost me all of $1, and these little highlighters cost me what, $1 or $2. And so look how nice and organized that is. And then right here I just put a little sticky, and I jotted down how much he paid in gas today, and then I went and bought some laundry detergent. He bought gas for the car and his motorcycle, and dog food. So I just jotted that down as household expenses and just put a little sticky note. Even though it's over here in the budget, I just want to be specific of what that money was for. All right, so that's that. I was distracted, but what I was explaining is I went through my planner and marked all the due dates, blah blah blah, filled in all the bills, and then I take this little paper because it's just much easier for me to list the amounts of the checks or whatever monies that's coming in, and I'll go ahead and list all the payments, and right beside the payments I have the due dates. Okay, so like now I have extra, like this word extra, that means it goes to the secondary account. Anything that's revolving or comes out of our like a monthly payment that I schedule somebody, I never have them use our main account. I have a secondary account that I transfer the money into, and then they will come and withdraw it. That means it's already out your balance, and you don't have to worry about keep on with your main balance, waiting on them to pull it out, because sometimes it takes people up to 10 days to withdraw some money, and it can throw your balance off, especially if you have 2 people in one account. So I just find it much easier to take the amount that a bill is. I try to do that for all. I need to do one more bill, which is our insurance. That still comes out our main account, but I need to go ahead and transition that into our bill account as well. So then I could just withdraw that money. Like this amount is going to be $93.82, right? And then that can just automatically be withdrawn whenever. So if it falls on a weekend or whatever, I don't have to, it's just already out of my balance. Okay, so I have $260 need to go into our secondary account. $200 goes to a credit cards that we're paying off every 2 weeks, and then his motorcycle insurance is like $60 something. That will come out like the 5th, but I'm already gonna have it out the balance in our main account. Okay, and tomorrow, we're supposed to go today, but it looks like we'll probably have to do it over the weekend, or at least before the 3rd. We'll get this this card, this military star card, completely paid off and no more looking back. Okay, and then I'm gonna make a $37 payment to his credit card. Okay, so what I'm doing now is making sure I have all of my calculations together. So I made it a little more easier so you can follow along what I mean, because over here this may be a little complicated. Okay, so this is all of our bills that's due right now. So what I'll do is these 3 bills right here, I'm going to transfer into our secondary bill account, and then we'll go ahead either if we log online, but if we go straight to the PX tomorrow and just pay it in full, then we'll be done completely with this thing. So that's how it's looking. This is part of my debt-free journey. Here goes. So this is my little budget. I thought I'll go ahead and share since I'm on this little journey. I have so many charts and all this stuff so I can stay organized. But since I incorporated these highlighters, oh my gosh, it just makes a world of difference. So green means money, paydays. The oranges are monthly bills. This means savings, pretty much, like that. The pink means paid in full. The blue means like an unexpected bill or like a YouTube app or something like that. Like today I bought a YouTube app for like $6.99. So not a YouTube app, but like an editing type of app or something like that. Or, you know, something that will help me enhance like editing or something of that nature. So here we go. I hope you enjoy. I know I was probably all over the place because I got distracted so many times. But this one is just a quick budget with me, February 1st. And I shared the things that we have. I really wanted to pay off that Wayfair bill, which is $6.75, but I can't figure out how to pay it off and not be like having to dip in our savings, and I don't want to do that. So I'll just have to be patient. There it goes, Wayfair. See, I originally had it scheduled for the 15th anyways, but I was trying to see if I could pull it off and get it paid the 1st. But I can't, so I'm just going to stick to our original plan, pay off the military star card, and then pay off West Ham and Wayfair on, pay them off on mid-month check, which is February the 14th. Okay, all right. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you guys want to see more budgeting videos, debt-free journey videos with me. That's what I am on right now. So we will be debt-free here shortly. March, we're going to have so much more money because $847 will be freed up and his bike will be paid off. So that $340 will be $370 and $842 will be added back into our March payment. Yeah. So there we go. That's something. So this we just have to make it through February, and then March we'll have a ton of money back into his paycheck. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right.